All right, today we gonna be putting a solid back glass in this here old C10 right here. The dang thing just leaking. Dang latch is broke. Whatever. So we gonna fix that with this $20 junkyard window we got. Got a seal kit from the LMCs, and we're gonna try her out. We gotta get the dang rack off first, and get the, of course, get the old one out. So we're gonna see how it goes. Okay. Okay, Bill. We'll get this dang rack off. Drop that back down. Oh, God, you gotta go all the way forward. There we go. What's going on? Still on the way back. Yeah, that's fine. So pretty much we just cutting this along right here with a razor blade and just pulling it out and seeing what is going to happen. Just so. All right, so we got the dang seal on the winder. We used just some foam cleaner to lube it up a little bit to help it a little easier to get on there. So now we got to get a rope and put it in between this lip right here, which that's where your seam goes, right of the cab, and try and get it popped in there.
Rope's not very easy to put in.
We're getting this dang rope in here, and apparently it's fighting them. We soaked it in some water, so we'll see if that helps any. They were saying to soak it in some soapy water, but we kind of don't have any of that up here right now. So we'll see what happens. We got the dang rope down here in this seal. Now we're gonna stick her in there. See what happens. Or trying to get her all popped in there.
Let's get that corner like somewhat lined up.
Hey, y'all are not doing this right. I think the window's too big.
There you go. Alright, mine's cleaned up. Mine's closed, but when I pull the rope it should. I'm gonna need you mostly to be pushing on this bottom down here until I get to the side and start.
All right, we got a guy in the cockpit. He's gonna take care of this.
Is you Allen there good enough?
Maybe, I don't know.
Does it?
Which? Okay, yeah. Start with that rope, cause I'm over here. I'm saying before I do this.
Hey Seth, watch your hands. You're getting the window dirty. All right, guys, intensely, precisely pulling the rope out. Look at that.
I think it's sitting over it like it's supposed to.
Okay.
Oh God, he about to cut himself. This is, kids, do not try this at home. This is not safe. I mean, all it has to do is go through that rubber and poke his finger. I think is the rubber catching in the middle, right there.
I need to run that screwdriver.
Yeah, like right there in the middle. Right there. Look at this guy.
This isn't even down on in here good. Right here.
Well, I think, come look out here. This is like, there's a little step in there. Yeah. And this is down in like, this is on the outside right here.
Okay.
All right, guys, it's getting serious. We'll come back in a minute. Anytime you're doing a professional window installation, you need a good can of, here you go, let me see it. Oh, well, he's using it. Can't you just smell it? Good old carpet cleaner. All right, Guy and Seth are in position. I'm going to try it again. Got her all slicked up. Here we go.
Let me
That's probably fine. Now try and pull it up and over.
Is it centered up good?
A little bit passenger. That's probably good.
All right.
All right, we got her set in. Guys, gonna try to start pulling the rope out.
Do what?
Make sure it's good. It moves a little bit.
Yeah, it looks good.
All right, now he's gently pulling the rope out, letting that rubber roll over. Let's see how this time works out for him. There we go. Looking good.
This outer field's going over a lot better, flattening out instead of rolling under.
Going better in here. Give it some taps up here. There you go. Now come around. Yeah. Alright, keep tapping. Keep on coming. Rope's out. Just keep tapping.
There she goes.
go all along the top. Just work your way all the way around tapping on it.
There you have it, folks.
Is that
One
it?
rear glass installed by these two young professionals here.
Everybody should like.
Call them today, Greenhall Speed and Performance. Get your quote. Have a nice one.
Well, there she is. We got the window in and the toolbox sitting there. I guess he's gonna get the windows tinted, and he's gonna rock no rack for a while. The rack's been in this thing as long as we've seen the thing, so it's kind of weird not seeing the rack in it, but it still looks good. All right.